Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1965 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. And I would read from the seller's comments at the auction, but unfortunately there weren't any. But just looking at it, it was a ground up restoration, probably a nut and bolt restoration, judging by how nice it was. Everything seemed to be brand new on it. And it sold for $33,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a beauty. It was an eye catcher in the bright red. And like I said, it was a beautiful restoration done to it, as you can see in the pictures and the video. And as far as the FJ Cruiser's history goes, they were made from 1960 through 1984, and then from 1968 to 2001 in Brazil. So they've been around for quite a while. That's why you see quite a few of them out there still, because they were very well made. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1965 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 with a ground-up restoration, and it sold for $33,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.